Just Eat keeps asking for selfies again and again. Do this before your next order. In my previous video, I shared 3 simple methods.
Fix selfie issues on Just Eat for drivers.
But many drivers said the problem is still happening. So here's one new trick that can actually help. The selfie verification is part of the system, but sometimes it appears too often, especially while driving. New solution. Step 1. Open the Just Eat app and watch carefully. Open the Just Eat app and watch carefully. Don't let it fully load. As soon as it starts opening, close it immediately from recent apps. Step 2. Open it again. And just like before, don't let it load. Close it fast. Step 3. Repeat this process several times in a row. Open, stop, close, and repeat. After a few rounds, the app should behave more smoothly. Important, this does not remove selfies completely. Only use it when it's unsafe, like while driving. Always complete the selfie when it's safe, to protect your account. If this method doesn't fully solve the problem, check my previous video for more working methods, and I'll also share new tricks for Uber and other delivery apps soon. Subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if this worked